present. Look at this. This says to Grandpa from Addie. Do you want to open
Grandpa
this?
from Addie?
Yeah.
Addie's not even here.
No, but it got mailed to us.
This is the Grandpa from Addie. Thank you, Addie.
Let's see.
Oh, I always wanted this. Look
You
at how
don't
great
know what's
that is.
in there.
It's one of those bubble wrap games.
No, Grandpa. You gotta open it up. Grandpa's very silly.
It's all taped up.
Open it up. Find out. Oh, could be breakable. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh dear. Let's see what. Just
Wait a
people
minute.
see what's
I see a
in there.
giraffe looking out from that paper.
Oh
Look at that
my
cup.
Gosh.
Is that awesome or what?
That is so cute.
That's really cute.
I love it.
And it came and it wasn't broken in the mail.
Thanks, Addie.
That is really
I'll
cute.
use this later today for sure. Thank you very much.
That's very cute. Okay.